Hi cutie Grace here. Today I am going to draw a fast stripe, so let's get started. First, draw a line down, a line to the right, and down again, and to the left. Now just following with me, draw a line here, to the right, a line down, connect the line. Now, draw a line down, to the right, upwards. Draw two round eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a flash stripe. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.